Hey guys, it's Ashley, Carolina Trailer Sales, carolinatrailersales.com. We're located in Pine Hall, North Carolina. We are by appointment only. The best way to reach me is 828-773-4500. We also do not put pricing on our YouTube. We also leave trailers up even though they sell, so definitely go to the description to see if the trailer that you are viewing is indeed already sold. This is a super nice 2005 Sundowner 777 Sunlight. It is in excellent shape. It has absolutely no issues. A few cosmetic flaws that I'm going to show you that are minimal. But all in all, the trailer is in excellent shape. White in color with the Sundowner graphics. It does have the gravel guard on the nose. It's a I like to say this in the video, it is a 2 5/16 ball. Got the gravel guard on the nose, 2 windows in the dressing room nose. It does have full running boards. That's going to be the only boo-boo that I can really find for it. And it has a scratch and dent on that running board. That is the only thing I can find, and like I said, it's minimal. It has 2 full escape doors with slider windows, sliders on the rear. It has a ramp with Dutch doors. So those Dutch doors do fold back and you can leave those open in transit. 2 load lights on the rear. Horse box is in immaculate shape. It's got the mats on the floor. It's got the padded chest and butt bars, padding on the side, padding on the divider, all in which is in great shape. Again, the horse box is immaculate shape as well. It's going to have a couple of dings on the roof. On the inside, it's really hard to see them. I'm going to guess that it's had some kind of hail damage at some point. When I say that, it's not a big deal, guys. Nobody looks at the roof on the top or the bottom. You can see it when you look up. I guess let me take that back. You can see it from the inside. It does not cause any issues whatsoever with the horses. It doesn't cause any issues with the trailer. It doesn't leak. It's just more or less a ding in the aluminum roof. But as you know, I say this in every video. If I see anything that I would see if I was a customer, I'm going to point it out. So I didn't know that until I got in this trailer and actually did the video. It's minimal though. I've seen a lot worse. Has the removable head divider, has the window into the dressing room, which is a super nice item or option on the trailer. Has the full, I guess, divider, solid divider to where horses can't see each other from either side on the divider or the head divider. Again, horse box is in immaculate shape, no issues. This would be a great get started trailer, a great runaround trailer, quick trip to the vet trailer, first time little girl starting to show trailer. So it does have the full running boards, 2 full escape doors. No really dings or scratches anywhere else other than the one I just showed you on the other side of the trailer. And then of course the few little dings on the roof, which again don't cause any problem whatsoever. Dressing room. Has a swing out saddle rack if you want to swing it out. It's kind of a Sundowner thing. Bridle hooks. Blanket bar, 2 windows I've already expressed it has in the nose, spare tire, brush box on the door. Those are all standard Sundowner items in that dressing room. It does have a roof vent as well. Super clean. This trailer, I will do the measurements on the website. So I know it's 7'6" tall. I believe it's 6'9" wide, but it may be more like 6'6" or 6'7". So those measurements will be on the website with the actual ad. Most straight loads are narrower because it is a straight load, and the way that the horses load, they don't need the extra width. But I will do the measurement on this one just so it is confirmed on the website. So to recap, 2005 Sundowner, 2-horse straight load, 2 full escape doors, dressing room, rear ramp, Dutch doors, super nice trailer. This is Carolina Trailer Sales. This is Ashley. And again, best way to reach me, 828-773-4500, or please subscribe to our YouTube page and go to our website, carolinatrailersales.com. You guys have a great day.